It's Tuesday, March 25th, and I don't have a husband, but I wouldn't even be mad if he sold me for beer. It's a fair trade. Welcome to No Filter, everyone. I'm Katie Nolan, and these are your top headlines of the day. While in Orlando for the owners' meeting last weekend, Rex Ryan took shots with fans while wearing a shirt that said, "Will sell wife for beer." Sounds like a win-win situation to me, but we know this guy loves defeat. The Eagles are reportedly close to signing former Jets quarterback Mark Sanchez days after former Eagles quarterback Michael Vick signed with the Jets. They might pass each other on the highway, except that those guys can't pass anything. Adidas has made Damian Lillard a pair of 4-bar Friday shoes that feature some of his rap lyrics. So J.R. Smith will have something to read while he unties them. An anonymous poll of MLB players said that Bryce Harper was the most overrated player in baseball. After hearing the news, Harper said, "Yeah, well, polling is overrated." My boy Kevin Connolly broke his leg in 2 places while playing football with Russell Wilson on the set of the Entourage movie. Not the first time he got caught playing out of his league. Seriously though, I'm just impressed he found a way to break something so small in 2 different places. TNT analyst Steve Kerr says that calling college games is like studying for a test, in that it's something that Katie Nolan does not do. Blake Griffin and DeAndre Jordan joined a live reading of Space Jam at UCB LA last night on a panel that included Seth Green, Nick Kroll, and Paul Scheer. This panel was brought to you by marijuana. No joke for it, but did everybody hear that Judge Joe Brown got arrested for getting in a fight with a judge? Something tells me that guy is not a legitimate law official. The University of Alabama is developing a system that will predict where lightning will strike. The University of Alabama, proudly stepping into the 18th century. Nets owner Mikhail Prokhorov says he plans to move his business back to Russia in a move that could raise some questions for his team, the Brooklyn Nets. In Soviet Russia, company owns you. Richie Incognito tweeted, "Love you, brother," to former teammate Jonathan Martin last night. After seeing the tweet, Richie Incognito called himself gay. According to a report, the Oakland Raiders have a massive crush on Fresno State quarterback Derek Carr, but not an overall number 5 pick sort of crush. Higher-ups in the Raiders front office said that they like him, but they don't like him, you know? Apparently, they're just trying to see how he reads a friend zone defense. Pro tennis player Grigor Dimitrov helped a ball girl who was feeling faint from the heat at a tournament in Miami yesterday by stopping the match to get her medical attention. Given the last few weeks, I'm surprised anyone could be that floored by the Miami Heat. When asked if Geno Smith was capable of being the Jets' starting quarterback this year, Rex Ryan replied, "I would say yes," and then added, "but I will say no." The town of Longview, Texas is paying rocker Ted Nugent $16,000 to not appear at their town's Memorial Day concert. It's the same deal that all-you-can-eat buffets have with Rob Ryan. A Mercer professor made her husband sleep outside in a tent prior to Saturday's game against Tennessee because her husband is a Volunteers fan, or so she told her kids. All right, guys, that's it for No Filter. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, live at 5 p.m. Eastern tonight, we've got Hulk Hogan on a brand new episode of Crowd Goes Wild, so be sure to tune in for that. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. If you haven't subscribed to my new YouTube channel yet, please do that, youtube.com/Katie Nolan. Subscribe to our podcast on iTunes as well, and I will see you tonight on your televisions with Hulk Hogan, and then tomorrow right back here on your internet. Goodbye.